everyone, welcome to Blush and guys, this video is actually about the basic of makeup. Now you might be thinking what exactly I'm going to talk about today. So I will be talking about just the primer, which is actually a basic makeup requirement. Okay, so the first thing I would like to share with you is that the primer which I use for myself is through MAC, which is Prep+Prime Primer. This is the product I am using for myself. Okay, why do we use primer is the first question somebody asked. So the answer to this question is it is basically used in order to create a clear canvas. Now you might be thinking what exactly I'm talking about. When so in a layman's language, if I talk about primer, actually gives you that smooth finishing. It helps the skin to be ready in order to look flawless. And you might have observed there are people who do not use primer, and what happens is their makeup actually looks very cakey. So once you use a primer, it actually the foundation or whatever you're applying on your skin blends really well. Now another thing I would like to share with you is another thing which I would like to share with you is that when you are applying a primer, what exactly are you supposed to use, the hands or the brush? So I would suggest please use a brush, a foundation brush, in order to apply the primer, because your hand actually has some oil in it, okay, which is a natural oil, which is actually not good in case if you are applying a primer on your skin. The next thing is that which brush to be used. You can use the foundation brush, and you can apply a little bit primer at the back of your hand. Now you might be thinking that she's saying do not use the hand, and then she's applying the primer here. Now if you see the texture of this side and this side is entirely different, so that is the reason I say that you take a little bit of product at the back of your hand, and with the help of brush, please apply the primer. So apart from that, what I would like to share with you is, you might have observed the people who actually wear a very good makeup, their skin actually shines. Now what exactly is the reason for that shine? The reason for that shine is that they use this product. Okay, now you can select this product based on your requirement. Like it depends, it is not necessary that you have to use it from MAC. This is the one which I am using for myself. So it gives you the glow. It is called MAC Strobe Cream Hydratant Lumineux. Now this has to be mixed with something. So what I do is I take my primer and then I mix it with this one, and then I apply it. So it actually gives me the kind of shine, and on top of it I apply my foundation. So that is why my makeup doesn't look cakey. It doesn't look abnormal, I would say. It doesn't look as if I'm wearing a makeup. It gives that kind of shine. Right now I'm not wearing it, but yes, this is what I do. These are the basic steps of a person who wants to do makeup should know. Okay, so this is all there in this video. So if you have any queries regarding to the primer or anything, you can leave a comment underneath my video. Also, you can mark me an email on my email address, that also I will be leaving in the description box. At the same time, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and do not forget to click on the bell button, because if you click on the bell button, you get the update of all the videos I upload. So this is a very basic of makeup. I hope it is very useful for you. Okay, so I will be coming up with more interesting videos like this, so stay tuned to Blush. Bye bye for now.